Today, we will share a healthy bowl recipe with only 5 ingredients. Try this recipe once in a while to taste different. You will feel better. Let's start. A bowl of cool sour yogurt. Chopped strawberry. Some raisin. Crushed peanuts. One tablespoon chia seeds. Sour yogurt is high in protein, calcium, vitamins, and probiotics, which can enhance the gut microbiota, protect the bones and teeth, and help prevent digestive problems. Strawberries are potent in protecting your heart, increase HDL, lower your blood pressure, and guard against cancer. Raisins are a good source of soluble fiber, which aids digestion and reduces stomach issues. Peanuts are an excellent source of plant-based protein, rich in fiber, vitamin A, vitamin E, magnesium, zinc, iron, and healthy fats. Chia seeds contain quercetin, an antioxidant that can reduce your risk of developing several health conditions, including heart disease and cancer. The seeds also high in fiber, which can help to lower high blood pressure. Try this recipe and share your experience with us.